Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about best IT practices. In this video, we're going to be exploring 5 common IT project management failures and proven strategies to avoid them and sharing these tips with you. Have you ever experienced the frustration of an IT project falling apart? Delays, cost overruns, and missed deadlines can have a profound impact on your business. It's crucial to identify and address the common IT project management failures that plague many organizations. By doing so, you can enhance your chances of success and ensure your projects achieve their intended objectives. In this article, we will explore 5 of the most prevalent IT project management failures and provide you with proven strategies to avoid them. 1. Lack of clear project objectives and scope. One of the primary reasons IT projects fail is the absence of well-defined objectives and scope. Without a clear understanding of what the project aims to achieve and its boundaries, teams often face confusion and conflicting priorities. To avoid this, invest time in clearly defining project goals, deliverables, and constraints. Communicate these parameters to all stakeholders and ensure their alignment from the start. 2. Inadequate project planning. Insufficient planning can be disastrous for any IT project. Rushing into development without a comprehensive plan increases the risk of scope creep, budget overruns, and resource mismanagement. Take the time to create a detailed project plan that encompasses all necessary tasks, timelines, milestones, and resource allocations. Involve key team members and subject matter experts in the planning phase to gather valuable insights and create a realistic roadmap. 3. Poor communication and collaboration. Effective communication is the lifeblood of successful project management. Failing to establish clear lines of communication, both within the project team and with stakeholders, can lead to misunderstandings, delays, and inadequate problem resolution. Implement robust communication channels and ensure regular updates, meetings, and feedback sessions. Encourage collaboration and foster a culture of open and transparent communication to keep everyone on the same page. 4. Inadequate risk management. Ignoring or downplaying project risks is a recipe for disaster. IT projects often involve complex technologies, dependencies, and external factors that can disrupt progress. Implement a proactive approach to risk management by identifying potential risks, assessing their impact and probability, and developing mitigation strategies. Regularly monitor and reassess risks throughout the project lifecycle to stay ahead of potential threats. 5. Lack of stakeholder engagement. Successful IT projects require active engagement and support from stakeholders. Failing to involve key stakeholders early on or disregarding their input can result in resistance, poor adoption, and project failure. Identify all relevant stakeholders and engage them from the project's inception. Encourage their participation, gather feedback, and incorporate their insights into decision-making processes. This inclusive approach fosters a sense of ownership and increases the likelihood of project success. By addressing these common IT project management failures head-on and implementing the recommended strategies, you can significantly enhance the chances of successful project delivery. Clear project objectives, thorough planning, effective communication, proactive risk management, and stakeholder engagement are the pillars of project success. Remember, every project is an opportunity for growth and improvement. In addition to these strategies, partnering with our experienced ECTO, Virtual Chief Technology Officer, can provide you with expert guidance to navigate the common IT project management failures mentioned above and more. Our ECTO service offers personalized solutions tailored to your business's specific needs, ensuring seamless project execution and maximizing your chances of success. We appreciate your support, so please take a moment to like this video and share it with your network. It helps us reach more people like you.